Are you getting this problem while streaming Spotify on Discord? Don't worry. Let me show you how to fix it in just a few simple steps without wasting any time. Hello everyone. My name is AK and you're watching Edit Master AK. Let's get started. First, open Discord and click on User Settings. Now, scroll down and select Connected Apps. Find your Spotify account. Click the X cross icon and then click Unlink to disconnect your Spotify account. Once that's done, restart both Discord and Spotify. That's it. Your problem should now be fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.